Oil prices are on the way to recovery on Friday. However, oil closes this month with the steepest decline since May last year. The situation with coronavirus outbreak in China lowered the commodity prices by 9%. At the moment, oil prices are holding steady. Following an emergency meeting, the World Health Organization stated that there were no grounds for international travel and trade restrictions. The head of the WHO considered the measures taken by the Chinese authorities to curb the spread of the disease were sufficient enough. This statement boosted market confidence. Early in the trade, Brent futures edged higher to $59.45 per barrel, but the bulls failed to maintain momentum and the prices pulled back from the early highs. West Texas Intermediate is trading likewise. After moving slightly higher at the beginning of the session, the American benchmark was down to $52.90 per barrel. Possible impact of the coronavirus outbreak on the global market continues raising worries among traders. At the same time, emergency meeting of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries may improve investor sentiment. The meeting was initially scheduled for March, but it is now expected to be held in early February, as recent events in China have posed threat to the global energy demand. The oil has all the chances to rebound. However, if Brent crude fails to hold above the level of $58.50 per barrel, oil quotes will be at risk of further decline. The ruble eased by 1.46% against the US dollar at yesterday's close, as uncertainty in the global energy market continues weighing on the Russian currency. Oil has posted 10% losses over the past month. Besides, negative dynamics among the currencies of emerging markets contributed to the ruble's decline. On Friday, the ruble regains ground following the rise in oil prices amid positive news from China. The decision of the World Health Organization officials to oppose restrictions on trade and travel against China supported the market confidence. Traders seem to believe that the health crisis in China will soon reach its peak and will gradually ease in the nearest future. The dollar-ruble pair has drifted lower and settled at the level of 63.07. The ruble is expected to find support at the level of 62.50. However, it's more likely to drop lower by the end of the session. It's still too early to hope for restoring stability on financial markets amid current negative background. Fears of a coronavirus epidemic may lead to high volatility in the markets in the upcoming sessions. That is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.